Hey guys,
Hi,
how are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's so cool. So I want to know somewhat other language, Nuer language and Apanuruma language. Yeah. So how do you say it? How are you in Apanuruma?
Akam Dursa.
I come this. What about you?
Yeah, in my language, we used to say Malamagua.
Malamogwa. So that's so cool. So what do you say about where are you going?
Esa di ma Dursa.
In my language, we win it.
Yeah. You win it?
That is.
Oh, that's so cool. So that's good. So what about friends? Where are you coming from?
Esa Ufti.
Okay.
We used to say, you win it.
You win it.
Oh,
Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, guys, thank you for your time.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
another thing.
that's so cool. Next time better.
Okay, thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Okay, you're
Bye.
welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.